2010 Chevrolet Avalanche 2. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 5.3-liter 8-cylinder, fog lights, aluminum wheels, tinted glass, luggage rack, bed liner, towing package, leather seats, bucket seats, driver's side power seat, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, child-proof locks, driver's side airbag, trip odometer, analog gauges, intermittent wipers, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, heated seats, security features, navigation system, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, compact disc player, entertainment system, wood grain dash, map light, sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, traction control, passenger side airbag, rear air conditioning, rear window defroster, fold-down rear